Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about BluPeak Credit Union. They are, in my opinion, the best credit union ever, and we're going to talk about why. This is the third video talking about breaking news, important update for a nationwide offer. They have a $200 referral bonus, which is fairly easy to get. Before I jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of BluPeak. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the information is current as of time of this recording, and all the screenshots are from their website. All right, so before I jump in, I do have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 each from these videos in the year 2023. So if you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. All right, so huge shout out to friend of the channel, Rodney. When I'm talking about this $3 million challenge, here's what that looks like. I mean, I'm really encouraged when I see emails like this from Rodney. They said, I'm 2 weeks away from the $900 Chase personal and savings account promotion for $1,800 for both my wife and I. I completed the U.S. Bank 750 bonus checking and 500 Chase business checking. I also did ground floor. Shout out to ground floor. Absolutely love what they have to do. I have a link to that video up here just recently made about that for my wife and I for a total of $100 plus for the unified bonus as well. My banking bonus should be around 3,250 for all. So he definitely crushed the $3,000 challenge. But here's where it gets absolutely amazing. Then I killed it for credit cards. All 4 Inc. business cards. That's phenomenal. Venture X, Wyndham, Business, and U.S. Bank Leverage. I don't remember if I've made a leverage video yet. I think I might have. If not, I need to make one soon because soon I will be on my leverage card number 3. Referral bonus for my wife's Chase Unlimited, Venture, and Sapphire cards, and her bonuses for each. With spend to meet requirements, I probably made close to $15,000. Wow. That's absolutely crushing it. That's what player 1, player 2 is supposed to look like in this fun and profitable game. I highly appreciate your channel and send people to watch your videos weekly. That's definitely appreciated as well. This is a highly profitable game. It's a fun and profitable game. And this is a money-making community. So if you'd like to share how much you've made, definitely enjoy reading those and sharing those with others. I mean, why not do what Rodney did? Do the thing and get the stuff. So only thing I got to say to Rodney is well done. I mean, that is absolutely phenomenal, absolutely amazing, sir. Appreciate it. Hopefully make more in 2024. All right, so BluPeak Credit Union. If you have never heard of them, they have A plus rating with BBB. They've been around 87 years. A plus may or may not mean anything to you, but here's one of the main areas I look at when evaluating a credit union or bank or investing thing or whatever. The number of customer complaints, and this is probably the most spotless. Actually, this is the most spotless complaint record I've ever seen. 4 complaints in the last 3 years, 0 complaints in the last 12 months. I mean, say what you want. That is amazing right there. So you can tell their level of customer service is phenomenal. So, as I mentioned, why is this the best credit union ever? Well, it's got everything that you've been looking for, that I've been looking for, and I want to share it with the world. This is a nationwide offer. It's not limited to just XYZ states. It's nationwide. I'll show you how to take advantage of that. Checks friendly. I just thought I was doing really, really well because I got approved for 5 credit unions in a row, and then I applied for a 6th one and denied due to too many checks inquiries. Well, checks friendly. If they'll apply, if they'll accept me, then why not accept you? I mean, my checks record looks like it's a phone book of all sorts of banks and credit unions. Big bonuses, 200 is nothing to laugh at, and credit card funding to boot, which is another source of another really cool way to make money. All right, so as I said, this is a $200 referral offer, and there's no link to it. Basically, the referral program works like this: just email me your first name, last name, and whatever email you want me to plug in. So literally, I go to the refer a friend site, put in my first name, last name, email, and then phone number, and then it asks for your first name, your last name, your referral email. Only thing I do with your information is plug it in there, and that is it. And they will send you a thing. So as I said, just email me your first name, last name, and email address, whatever email address you want me to send it to churningadventures@gmail.com. That is the money email address, and I'll have the link sent to you. Gmail.com is where I had my link sent to from a buddy of mine, and it went straight to my spam folder. So make sure your spam folder, you check it after I send you the email, say, hey, I sent you the thing, and did you get it? So sometimes it takes a couple times for it to go through. Why? Because technology is technology, but nonetheless. So send me your email, first name, last name, and I will get that out to you rather quickly. When you get the link, here's what it says. Your friend John thinks you'll love BluPeak, and we think you both deserve $200. That's awesome. So cashing in as simple. You open a free checking account with e-statements with BluPeak, open a savings, money market, or term certificate, and then receive at least 500 in direct deposits within 90 days. So here's what they've kind of updated there. That's the breaking news here. It says 500 in direct deposit transactions within 90 days, and then we both get $200. So don't let your 200 slip away. This is a limited time offer. Open your account today. There is a promo code you do need to use, which is refer a friend, and I'll show you where to plug that in. So if you look here, that just says 500 in direct deposits. And then if you look further down, it says you need to receive at least 2 direct deposits to the new checking account that are new to BluPeak Credit Union in their name for a total of at least 500 within 90 days of account opening. And here it says maintain the new account in good standing for at least 90 days. So they want you to be a customer for at least 90 days. But it's kind of different what they're doing here because they're not really following that. So I said send a direct deposit for over 500. If you get paid out quickly, they're paying out quickly, which is really cool. Then rejoice. If not, send a second direct deposit to cover your bases. And they're already starting to pay out, which is really nice. BluPeak is starting to pay out fast. So it hasn't been 90 days. I haven't been in with them for 90 days. And whoever signed up for this, they haven't been in their 90 days. So I'm already starting to get a couple of these. And yeah, that's really cool to see that, hey, do the thing, get the stuff, and they're paying out much, much quicker. So some people have been paid in way less than 90 days. And everybody loves instant gratification or almost instant gratification. Nobody likes to wait to get their bonus. So that's really cool. So here is, now you're asking, hey, what happened? What happened? Did they do 1 direct deposit? Did they do 2? Did they do 2? I'm wanting, I would love to get data points from, if you're one of the, let me fix me. There we go. Okay, so if you're one of the ones who have already been paid out, please email me. I want to know if you sent 1 direct deposit or 2. Please let me know. churningadventures@gmail.com. Please let me know so we can have some data points because there's like no data points on BluPeak. So when you sign up for eligibility, this is what makes it a nationwide offer. So you become a member of KPBS, and I don't think they actually sent me anything. So you receive a 1-year complimentary KPBS affiliated membership, which may include an email subscription. I never got any email from them, I don't believe. So BluPeak will pay for your membership, so you don't need to. There's no out-of-pocket expense for that. They will. You get that complimentary. So you want to do the free checking with e-statements. You want to click that. You want to also add a savings account. And I also added up a certificate account. So I'll go over that in a minute. So when you get to here, how did you hear about us? Social networking, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube is social networking as well. Promo code, you want to type in refer a friend. I don't know if if it's case sensitive or not. But you want to make sure to plug in the code there. That's a $200 code. Funding. So I did $25, the $25 minimum for the free checking of e-statements. Preferred savings account, I opened that one up as well. Put $25 in there. And then for a certificate, paying 4.25%, I put in $14.45. One-time membership fee, $5. That's like nothing. So grand total $1,500. How did I plug the money in? Credit card, max $1,500. So max that out. If you have any questions about credit card funding, how that works, or whatever, just email me at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll answer whatever questions or concerns. I know some people have never done that before. You're worried about a cash advance fee. It's really not a big deal. I've never been charged a cash advance fee. So whatever questions you have about that, email me, and I'll be more than happy to guide you through that. So I added another CD. You can add additional CDs to this, so have some money sitting there growing. And their preferred savings is really, really impressive. The preferred savings has 5.2% interest as of time that's recording this video. So definitely want to take advantage of that as well. So as I said, you're interested in this, email me your first name, last name, and whatever email you want me to send it to. I just plug it in here. Bam, bam, bam. Give me something to do. Let me plug this in, and I'll have it sent out to you. We'll both make $200. I mean, that's really cool Christmas money or whatever, or New Year's money, or so anyway. So BluPeak, consider it. They're paying me $200. They're paying you $200. That's $400 per customer. I have no clue because this all comes out of their advertising budget. I have no clue what their advertising budget is looking like. But get in while it's available. Take advantage of this. So as I said, email me your first name, last name, email address, churningadventures@gmail.com, and get paid. So this is the best credit union out there, nationwide, checks friendly, credit card funding. Everyone needs to take advantage of this. Email me, churningadventures@gmail.com, to get the process started. And in case you're wondering, my friend Blue, he definitely does approve of BluPeak Credit Union. All right, so I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you rather quickly. All right, today's question. So I am a math teacher. My shirt says it. So we're dealing with finals in high school, and it's definitely an emotionally charged time for a lot of kids who are looking to graduate and get their final credits. What's the best advice for dealing with others, especially if you know they're not the most pleasant people to deal with? And I'm preaching to myself more than trying to share anything to anybody else. Gentle answer deflects anger, but harsh words makes temper flare. Yeah. Proverbs 19:11. Good sense and discretion make a man slow to anger, and it is in his honor to and glory to overlook a transgression or an offense without seeking revenge or harboring resentment. People get offended really, really, really easy, but it's to a person's honor and glory to not get offended. 1 Peter 4:8. Above all, love one another deeply, because love covers a multitude of sins. So I'm just preaching to myself in this because I needed to hear that. If you got if you want any additional information about this, how to follow Jesus, link in the description down below. If that's anything you're interested in, if you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications so you can learn about the most profitable opportunities out there. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.